All starts again, 11th of March 2020. We got just over 130 out with the older young birds. We're on the tooth at the moment. We'll be out for about an hour and then whistled back in. Some are having a flip around and what have you. Things are going well, they're looking very well, so let's hope it keeps that way. We've got just over 500 in the lofts at the moment, and lots more coming tomorrow with the couriers, and then they'll start flying in over the next few weeks as well. Just a little clip for everyone. I'll do another video next week. All the best, everyone.